So I wanted to talk a little bit today about the crypto industry. Whether you're thinking about starting a crypto fund, you want to get involved in the crypto industry, or you already are involved and you're wondering what's been going on in the news lately with all the news about the crypto industry. Let me just share my screen real quick. Uh, so if you've heard some of the news within the last week or so, you've seen that the SEC and also the CFTC, Commodities Enforcement Agency, essentially, have come out pretty aggressively and strong against the crypto industry. Even the chairman of the SEC had basically said, we don't need cryptocurrency, we don't need digital assets because we already have digital assets in the US dollar. So they're clearly making their position known, and crypto is a major enforcement area for the SEC right now. So they had already gone after Coinbase managers for insider trading based on trading on crypto assets. That was recently settled with the SEC. That was announced about within the last 2 weeks that they did settle that case. Then also, you may have heard that Binance, the SEC, filed charges against Binance for acting as an unregistered exchange of securities and a broker-dealer of securities, misrepresentations, unregistered sales of securities. So all kinds of violations of US law on the securities front, even though Binance is essentially not based in the US. They do have some US operations. So then what the SEC did was they went after and tried to seize all the assets of the US operations of Binance and their trading platforms and everything. Then at the same time, they also, I think the day later, June 6th, they charged Coinbase again, this time the actual company, for operating as an unregistered securities agency, broker-dealer, exchange, similar type of charges that are against Binance. So the trading platform is acting as a securities exchange, essentially, without being properly licensed, is what the SEC is saying. So what do you do if you want to get into crypto, you want to start a crypto fund? What's the best way to handle that? Can you do it? Yes, you can. What I would advise people as a securities attorney is, if you're going to do that and get involved in crypto, start a crypto fund, you have to just pretend or act as if the crypto or whatever you're doing, coin offerings, is going to be determined to be a security and even potentially a commodity regulated by the CFTC, and just comply with existing law as if it was a security. So if it's a crypto fund, you treat it like any other security, like a typical hedge fund, and you comply with all existing law, securities law surrounding it, because that's essentially what the SEC is going after, is treating most assets, crypto assets, like their security, and finding the companies or individuals involved, going after them for not complying with something as if it was a security. So the easiest, safest thing, treat crypto like it is a security, potentially a commodity, depending on what you're doing, get some good advice from legal counsel, comply with existing law, and you're going to, basically reduce your risk significantly, because that's what the SEC is focused on, is saying everything's a security. So treat it that way. It might involve additional compliance, some additional costs, but that way you're in a lot better position, whether it's implementing insider trading policies, just like you're a publicly traded company, and complying with existing law. So if you are looking at doing a crypto fund, feel free to contact me at any time, or just speak with a good securities attorney who can advise you on how to set up a fund and be in compliance so that you reduce your risk. Thanks for watching.